How are you, students? Actually, I would have loved to talk to you face to face, but all of us know last 1 year has been a testing time for us. But it is rightly said that bad time or bad days, they don't come here to stay forever. This is a passing phase. We have experienced this unforeseen and unwanted situation, but whatever the situation is, you have to try your best. All of us, all of you have desire to excel your performance, but desire unless supported by efforts will remain a desire, only a desire. And if you want to achieve your goal, the only person who can help you is the boy or the girl you see in the mirror. Your parents are there, of course, teachers are there to help you, but ultimately you have to do your best to achieve your goal. Consistency is required. And you know, there is a saying, Rome was not built in a day. What does that mean? Rome was not built in a day. It doesn't mean construction was going on at night also. It means that all great achievements require continuous, sincere efforts. It's very natural that you feel comfortable when you are not studying. Some of you, not all. But remember, success always lies outside your comfort zone. So get out of that comfort zone. Stop watching TV or watch it only for a limited period. Stop playing those games. Okay, games on ground, they are outdoor games are good, but give prior importance to your studies. Sometimes it rarely happens that students try their best but they don't get success. But remember, every action may not bring success, but there is no success without action. So study all the time. This is a tough time, I know, but there is a saying for you, for me, for all of us, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. So be tough, be studious, do your best, and have a wonderful future. That's all for now. Bye.